Mami Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Sem TV GH so wofreme adwowa searching.
Hey, Opoku nyanya ko poti ase. Mikase by this time NDC buy Opoku nyina won sanwe. Dede pa omu ye wo kromu ha. Adapapa omu twa Opoku nyina. Any na pamfo or National Cathedral including me akasakasa me Church of Pentecost, some elders are minimum, some members are minimum. Didi omudidi Opoku nyina tem. Edi National Cathedral didi Opoku nyina tem e Ghana ha. Mikai ebra naka kakra ebeko general election. There was a rumor say Dr. Baumia Pesoko yi Opoku nyina se ni running mate. Didi omudidi Opoku nyina tem, including some elders are minimum. And ne auditor general report kire say Opoku nyina hu son oni na pamfo mu hu son na National Cathedral no obia ni sika. Some feature journalists will be a omu peso mu gu Opoku nyina ni mwase e wo Ghana ha. Report ni by what was obia kana no atum. Some fake pastors bia pulpit so no mu kire ma se ne omu si share draws. And a comedy yen, and a Mukasi National Cathedral, and a Christopher, and a Mudia no Medicica, maybe yet today, and the God of the whole of the bond wine. Reported by Obia Kananwa to Mudin, ye cham my keke, Opoku nyina. Pentecost new more call tree cobre mine, Bebrena, Dodona, ni Sasha Sebi. Say I will call sorry Sunday out to Yumunubi. Ujamenim, Uda Sunday, Ukwaso, Konoko to Opoku nyina Yumunubi. Fake pastors. And again, some Namudi ye dede, and ne Mahamani, some Okujeto Brako do UN assembly. Munko to Abase, can say, gay, no young twas and I say, ye chemuno. Omujani, what you say, pastor be fake pastors, he be, what you say, or Muka Wasem. Ghana, how me say, say Adia Chiwa, Bonyaku Paye say, offer the spirit of discernment, Efandomo. And yes, sir, this so-called fake pastors, or mood what dream Pekwa Koji Koko Nikosi.
Enim gwase akwaba enim gwase akwaba endisifo into fubona wutugu na shaka tu down there na we disco san MPP mpon di ni mu 10% mpoda MPP mpon di mu 10% mpoda ona okra onko editing na why edit sisa wututu ona we adwuma na kaw won de no abana na ona wode dani na wo mu kumpo face kan kaw so fu bia resign bia enya atwum because na pe wo chefa na wan famo so fu bia resign bia no enya atwumni open ne chefa na wan famo na resign no na round the full Ghanaians say go kubu na wade swimming pool enum gwase si charge ma amro poro ye ne na boa oye na wasese ne din e person said 1,000 times ye na adwenem nyim do ye National Cathedral enum gwase fu
Treno, Yajai, Yasalati, Makumako, 19. Okay,
Yeah.
What's 19 feet? 3 free, 90 my cousin.
Rebecca 16.
So, 16, no, Uncle Fafi.
Na 19 no krano. First trainer na outstanding no. Ako edi 19 na ye kwa run.
And 16, no, and also there I didn't see her. And also picture it, no, yet see one. And he say, court and Sabla, court to show myself on Coino. A master court, I go at you, say, Yamuka, and you find now.
We pass see na modwen won say.
And also, it is to say, Mentase.
Anything na yeso mkofi no.
Okay.
We there we never lethargic. Has a wow mre ba wa ho den so de ye no so no nkeke. And as I would say my lazy approach to a lot of things. And me ba media space ma nipa ba kwa onkonye media person me bunu pa ye Kofi Bentel because of his brutal honesty and sharp brain. One sa guy back no count Bryce Simmons as for Friday Franklin Kujodi me head and serious sometimes. For Kofi Bentel to say the commissioners are not fit for purpose. I mean it's a serious statement. They should just resign and go. Or
so are we also saying, sir, And nemo my innovations on that bar.
No, the commission is fit for purpose.
Okay.
Let's get it well. Me, I have always defended
the handless.
The handless. And they promote a crack. MPP for social good Charlotte. I was not a fan of it one bit. Because to me, Charlotte was doing the best she could. And you better said I no. What I said, the cost of my demand cost no a lot. Then now doctor to me could join hospital. I'll pass your operation. Light a cry or the baby operation crime. Depends on you. You see, Tamalaya, Akando, Anthony Wasi. And daily occurrences in the country, they manage how we survive through this on Onyamengwanenim. It say, oh, had the problem in a good papa say, it's unfair. But sometimes, I don't know substitutes in football match. Players can be lethargic. We say, well, train, and then any day. And I believe yeah. So G must realize and to must say MPP for and this for Ahromia, MPP for by Zubebeji opposition 5 months, but more Satia Hromi, me Gideon. Yes, I will call Kuguso. Shall of Karam Kazu you may be. When we in any 3 months for an appointment. And justice in America because PK support as a Ombaso Michelle to say Supreme Court. Where a lawyer only case that as a committee in the Supreme Court and answer. So there's a future ahead of you. If nothing at all, your party may come back again. If not, that is the crana. Na hard cast the cry, Umwadi, and then not here. What is it? And I miss you grab now, say Jean. To go down about 10 in the boss man in Uncle. Nafi, we might not fear criticize Ebia Monuman who said the past may be TV with my fan and Tessia. But the institution as a EC itself in there, it has its challenges and everything. But I think say I will leave it to the purpose since 1982. Yeah, I've over to this time and a lot of things are very transparent. Yen Kotwaba, Senyani Mohusema, Gagana Betuma Atwababra to Kobiesi. Omo Pasom Kono. No. And then how do you blame the entire commission? No. But for non-dealings with some of these things, Kwame, I don't know. Oh, Bebo, I saw Bebo Luto, no one waffle. What about we don't Martino? I feel 5 minutes later, I can say 77, no, 171. Hey, I mean, send one game. Man, the Benji salute to the debut. It is you have poor barrier with all the time mind the man who I say 1 week, I say 8 days to was enough quality. What calculator be computer Excel sheet nearly a crutch for doctor for quantity commission also. Number wrong. No position. Our money calculator. At me, I know the right figures about. I know we are what you have to I just don't want us to easy like that. But say a persistence as well. What are you trying to build? Now they are two now. Because the money MPP a complete irrenim. Osha, I said the next year the pass or the Corifurata, President Mahama may allow him to continue his job. Because yes, Ken may have done certain things on toward Kwambia Sumarandi, but the approach and methods are Papa Edekeno is very, 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 very insulting. To put my name on what? Interpol Corifurata. And no, as you say. I get on our friend. All right.